everyone. Welcome to our new episode, Scrolling into the Future New Media Resources. Welcome back to Pajama Perspective, the show where we get cozy, sip some tea, and share real perspective on the media shaping our world. I'm Nea Sumayop, and tonight we're talking about new media resources of media and information. What does that mean? Basically, all the modern platforms and tools from social media and podcasts to blogs, streamings, and collaborative apps that have totally changed the way we access, share, and even think about information. Joining me in the room are two amazing guests, King, a media influencer, and Erica, a student. Thanks for being here.
Hi guys.
So, let's start simple. When I say new media resources, what pops into your mind first?
I think of social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. They are not just for entertainment anymore. They've become new sources, learning platforms, even advocacy spaces.
Okay.
For me, it's collaborative tools like Google Scholar, online forums, or even podcasting. They let people share knowledge and opinions instantly, which creates this massive pool of information at our fingertips.
Right. So clearly, these tools are everywhere. But how exactly are they changing the way we understand information?
Well, before, information flowed one way from TV, radio, or newspaper to the audience. Now, with new media, it's participatory. People can comment, fact check, remix, and even challenge what they see. That makes information more interactive and in many ways more democratic.
Exactly. But here's the challenge. Not all voices are reliable. The same platforms that give us freedom also open the door to misinformation, fake news, and algorithm drive chambers. So while access is easier, understanding requires same critical thinking than ever.
Interesting. So it's like we're smarter because we have more tools, but also more confused because there's too much noise.
Right. For example, TikTok might teach you history in 60 seconds,
Yeah.
but without context. That knowledge could be shallow or even distorted. It's fast, but not always deep.
And that's where perspectives come. In new media, new media resources push us to ask who made this? Why was it made? If we don't pause to reflect, we risk mistaking popularity for truth.
Wow! Thank you for that wonderful knowledge that you've shared with us. I love that. Let me pull all the threads together. Understanding new media resources makes information faster, easier, and more participatory. Anyone can create and share knowledge. Insights. With that power comes the risk of overload and misinformation. The key isn't just having access, but learning how to filter and analyze. Perspectives. At the end of the day, these tools reflect us. If we use them responsibly, they can mislead and divide us. So, before we close, I'd love to hear one last thought from each of you. What perspective should listeners take with them tonight?
New media is like a double-edged sword. It gives you power, but only if you learn how to use it wisely.
And you, Erica?
Don't just scroll passively. Pause, think, and question. That's how media becomes understanding, not just noise.
And that's a wrap for tonight's Pajama Perspectives. Huge thanks to King and Erica for joining me. Remember, media resources will keep evolving, but insight and understanding will always be in style. Sleep well and stay thoughtful. And I'll see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye!
We understand information
At up,
More.
we understand information
at up,
More. Mga
challenge.
understanding will also mali